What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Okie Addiction. I just got off of work. It's a 0700 on a Saturday morning, and I'm super stoked today because I got something in the mail a few days ago that I'm really excited about sharing with all of you. So if you want to see what it is, stick around. Oh, you're still here? Sweet! Okay, y'all, remember whenever I said that I had a surprise? Well, here it is. Right over my shoulder is a Vance & Hines Roland Sands 3-inch track slip-ons. So, let's get into it. Okay, we're going to do a startup with the stock exhaust. That way we can get a little bit of a comparison whenever I get these things put on. Alright guys, I think I got everything set up. I got all my tools here. I have a rubber mallet. That's to help me seat the new pipes without creating any damage. I got 15mm and 13mm sockets or ratchet wrenches, whichever you want to use, whichever you prefer. You've got 15mm nuts up here in the front, 2 of them. And then you have 3 13mm in the back. 1 13mm actually marries these 2 together. We'll be taking that off so that we can actually whittle these off and attach the new pipes. So I think we're ready. Let's get started. Alright, here we go. We just finished the install. Looks good. Now we're going to start her up and see how she sounds. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that was freaking loud. Those videos do not do this pipe justice. You have to hear these things in person. Basically, if you like the way it sounds on the video, you're going to love the way it sounds in person. I love the way those pipes look. Awesome. I'm super happy with it. They look great. Great purchase for myself. That's my Christmas present to me.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Test ride. They sound awesome. I'm super happy with the sound. So there you have it, Vance & Hines Roland Sands 3-inch track slip-ons, model 11831. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm extremely happy with them, and I'm looking forward to getting them screaming down the road on some longer rides. I actually had to do a sound reshoot because the first time it was so loud the mic was distorting. I had to put a dead cat on the mic and move it across the garage. Now, I did have the garage door closed, so that may have affected the sound recording, but I was trying to be a good neighbor because there's a newborn across the street, and I really don't want a mad mama coming after me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click the bell notifications so you'll know when I drop a new video. Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Stay true and stay safe.
2 hours later.